On this week's episode, watch as me and Tabitha both complete a few boat projects and then take a break to set out and explore the surrounding marinas and enjoy the beautiful weather in the Jeep. Also, now is a good time to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.
Hey baby, where are we going, baby?
Shark Tooth Island, baby. Baby Shark Tooth Island. We're going to swim with the fishes, the sharks.
We're cruising the East Coast and Bahamas too. On the Hangover 3, we're living a dream come true. Schoolie plus adventures across the USA with friends and cocktails each and every day. We're What the Hell Adventures, and that's our name. Living life fullest, playing life's game. We're always on the go, and we're seeking brand new thrills. Making memories together, that's what gives us all our thrills.
So before you can rename your boat, you have to go through the process of removing the old name from the boat. And here is this process.
Reverse!
All right, guys. Today I am super excited because we have a big project to do here on the Californian. Russell is actually inside getting ready to put a pump in, and I get to take the name off of our Californian, which is the Permatory 2, Omaha, Nebraska, and then we get to put the Hangover 3 back on there. So this is a long, tedious process, but here we go.
Later.
Alright, so we are done getting this name off the back of the boat. All we got to do now is do a little buffing, and then we can get the Hangover 3 on there. Super excited about that.
I am hooking up Seaflow. It drains, keeps your bilge drained down to absolutely nothing. Salt water makes the boat stink. Any little bit that gets in here, and I can't stand the bad smell. So I'm gonna hook this up today, along with the sump pump today, because the one in the boat didn't work. So that's one of my processes. I've got to figure out where to put it, where to mount this fancy little thing right here, which makes it auto or makes it manual, whatever way you want to do it. I've got to come up with that, and hopefully if I get all that done, I'm going to work on a toilet. So that's my plans for today. We'll see what happens. Yeah, project day. Well, if you own a boat, every day's project day. You might as well get used to that. If you don't like working, don't buy a boat. Okay, I am working on the bilge in the boat. I'm actually installing a Seaflow system and a brand new sump pump. I have got to figure out how to get all of it put together and squeeze it into that hole. The bilge in salt water, It gets a little bit in there and it stinks. And I am OCD about smells. I can't stand it. So I'm going to hook this system up. I'm happy with it. I've had a lot of good reviews. I think it's going to do what I want. I'm also going to put a sump pump in there too. The old one is no good. There it is laying in the floor. In my rigged up system to pump the bilge completely dry the first time. And it works. I mean, you know, it does what it's supposed to do.
2 hours later.
We decided to take a Jeep day.
Take a break from working.
Yep, we had it, we wanted to ride, we wanted to look. We came across this beautiful old Chris Craft, and wow. So
apparently it sank the other day, and the Coast Guard just got it up, and I would say halfway got it up because
that's a shame. That's the end of a classic. I mean, that's what they say, a 48 foot, 66, 65. What a shame. What a beautiful boat.
So we're at Lodge Landing. We're getting ready. I think that is Overson's Marina right over there. I think we're gonna head over there. We decided to take a day.
Yep.
81 degrees. Took the top out of the Jeep.
Beautiful weather. Just, yeah, what we needed it. So we're gonna ride around today and just look at cool boats, cool marinas, little back roads. Wait a minute. There you go. All my brothers out there, Butchie boy. Somehow, some way, keep coming up with funky ass hits like every single day. Yes, the Butchie boy, rolling out gin and chips. Laid back. Not that much to see here. I guess we get out on the end though. What is the name of this place? Overson's. Overson's Marina. This is a cool old place. A lot of neat old boats in here. That's kind of one of our favorite things to do, is just walk around these marinas, look at the cool boats, see if we can find a deal. Yeah. Always looking for a deal.
Because that's what we need. It's a fourth boat. We need a fourth.
Yo, we don't need any more boats for a while. But Mike needs one. Liable to find his next boat here.
That's nice.
Oh yeah, that is cool. That is a I do too. That is a very cool boat. I don't know what.
Take people out on like cruises or whatever.
It must be, but she is beautiful. Look at that. It's a very neat boat.
Look at 3 of them and 4 of them together.
Hold on here.
I like this. I need another.
Yeah. I still love these. I mean, Bayliners are still great boats.
Oh, yeah.
That is a beautiful old boat too. You know what? I don't know why, but that yellow hull looks. Yeah, I like it. My beautiful wife. Ain't she so pretty? I always walk behind her mainly for the view. Can't help it. Still crazy about her. It's a big old sailboat. Good God, look at the size of that.
This one looks like a hoarder lives there.
Yeah. Yeah. Now there's a nice boat.
Heck yeah, baby.
Shit, man. You needed that for art, didn't you?
Been a lot cheaper.
Yes. A lot.
You're entering a redneck area. You may encounter American flags, armed citizens, the Lord's Prayer, and country music. Proceed
Amen.
at your own risk. I think we'll go.
I think we're okay.
Oh, check this out. That is...
Yep.
Wow.
Now they got it going on. This looks like this might be the party spot.
I
One
mean,
of them high-class Danies right there.
they got a refrigerator, a stove, a microwave.
A badass bar now. That bar is just too cool. That bar is too cool. I believe we could fix it if we got it up.
Mike, we found you a free boat. Maybe, if you're lucky. Look, we go in 3 boats, and what are we doing? Out here looking at boats.
Well, yeah.
We have an addiction.
Yeah. It's like crack, but worse.
Yeah, you can't go to jail from looking at boats.
No, you can't go to jail from looking at boats. Well, I guess you
lose
could
a
if
lot
you.
of weight doing crack, though.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I
I need a
guess
diet.
I guess there's a plus to everything, right?
You know, you can make a cool boat out of one of those right there. Them old crab boats. Well, that's what that other one was. I mean,
Yeah.
that was kind of neat looking, in my opinion.
There's another one.
Yeah. And that's wild. They've been in the same slip
Yeah.
since '88 too. I mean, you know, that's pretty cool.
Okay, this is cool.
Yeah, this is where we would hang out.
Look,
Wait a
big
minute.
screen TV.
Yeah. Smoker. They got ice makers. They got. Let's look around here. Get a shot of my beautiful wife as I'm moving around. God damn. Damn if they don't.
Check out their bar.
Yeah, I like this. I don't expect these people to party a whole lot around here. Huh? Check it out. That's pretty cool. Yep. 47 foot. I still think those are pretty cool too. I mean,
Smith Point Marina in Reedville, Virginia. Again, not a huge marina. Don't really see. They also have a campground. Don't really see any amenities here either.
I think they had a few. I can't remember it. That was a while back, but I think they had some stuff here.
What do they have?
I think they had a bathhouse and I mean, they didn't have a ton of stuff.
No pool or restaurant or anything like
Yeah,
that.
no, they got a ship store. That's it. Right now, check the ferry out.
Alright, now we're going to go check out the Sunny Bank Ferry. It crosses the Wimico River. And it's a free ferry.
Amenities here, and now we are going to the ferry.
Sorry.
You've got the flood.
Okay, so we are going to, oh my god, the Sunny Bank Ferry! Are you so excited?
Now you just talk. That don't make no sense. You need to do that over.
I'm not doing it over. Like, you want me to be normal? Be normal.
That's not normal.
So this is where the Sunny Bank Ferry is supposed to be. It says it's open. Doesn't look open to me. Age 12 to 4:30, Monday through Friday. Record the last area because it was kind of cool and we forgot to record because we were just looking around. And this marina,
Nope. But there's some big old boats out here just set.
yeah, this is Cone River Marina. I don't really know what. I think we're in maybe Lotsburg. Yeah, some big old boats sitting on land. 41-foot Marionette. Have a good day exploring.
I did. Had a good time.
Now we're going to one of our favorite restaurants here in Callio.
Yep.
Dos
32 ounce,
Portales.
32 ounce margaritas and 64 ounce margaritas.
If you dare.
Yep.
And I would say pretty darn good margaritas.
Yes, they
Let's
are.
go have one. That's what I'm talking about. Yummy margaritas
With my pretty senorita.
with a good looking date.
Okay, that's what I am good looking.
Super hot.
Good breeding.
Are you saying that your dad is super hot?
He's a good looking guy.
Join us next week as we ride out Tropical Storm Ophelia, have another hell of a hangover segment, and take our first plane ride ever to see our daughter in Texas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.